All right, good afternoon. This is one I've been working on for a couple of weeks. I put them to the side, I build them, I set them up. It takes time to produce engines around here. But this happened to be, somebody sent me a Pontiac engine. I was showing you, I'd gone through the whole thing for the gentleman. We changed it over from a solid roller cam to a hydraulic. The intake manifold we found he supplied us had a hole in it. There was a lot of different things I'd seen wrong. I made it my way. It's now fuel injected with a hydraulic roller. The customer supplied me the camshaft and the lifters also. But here it is, finished product. Made 650 foot-pounds of torque, 620 horsepower. Only pulled it to 55. I don't like beating up 455 motors. Hey, anything we can help you with? Give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. Peace. Okay, we're ready to go. We're gonna pull it to 5,500.